Today I like to speak on two expressions, and they are speak in English and speak English. These two expressions are quite important because sometimes these two expressions put the students in confusion as to which expressions are in fact correct or what may be the difference in terms of meaning between the two. Sometimes the students on their own have come forward to ask this question as to which one of the expression is better or which one of the expression is correct and which one is not. And I like to make it clear that speak in English and speak English both are acceptable versions of English, both are acceptable, and for all practical purposes the meaning remains the same. However, the structure of these two expressions are different. As for example, speak in English, the verb speak is used as an intransitive verb, and in English is not the object of speak, or English is not the object of the verb. Rather, English is the object of the grammatical items preposition in. So, speak in English, here in this expression, English is the object of the preposition in. So, on the other hand, in the expression speak English, English is the object of the verb speak, and speak is here used as a transitive verb. So, we need to understand that so far the meaning is concerned, it almost remains the same, and the grammatical structure for both the sentences are different. In speak in English is used as a prepositional phrase, and as a prepositional phrase it is used also as an adverb modifying the verb speak. On the other hand, speak English is the object of the verb speak, and speak is used just as a transitive verb. And speak in English, speak is used as an intransitive verb. So that's about these two important expressions, and one can now have the better meaning, better understanding of the meaning and the structure of these two expressions. Thank you so much.